The worst thing I've ever done. Good morning, Fibs. Good afternoon and good night. I am tired. Yes, it's that time of the morning. I just finished getting my workout in. The struggle is real, you guys. The struggle is real. After Valentine's Day, struggle. Listen, your girl went out and she had all that cheesecake, and you guys, I baked a banana bread. It was the worst thing I've ever done because now I am glued and I can't walk past it in the kitchen. Each time I walk past it, I have to be pinching off piece. It's so addicting. I feel so guilty, but it is so good. Babe has been crying for me to bake. So I finally baked him a banana bread and he's in love with it. Oh my God, you guys. There's a bug in my house. I just looked across here and I swear to God there's a bug. You guys see that? What in the world is that? Oh my God. I hate bugs. I super hate bugs. But I'm gonna go kill him right now. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna kill him. You guys, I'm tired. It's the day after Valentine's Day. Does that make sense? It's not the day exactly after Valentine's Day, but it's the next day. But the struggle was released today. Your girl was tired. I was out of it completely. Hopefully you guys had an awesome Valentine's Day though, because we sure did have a Valentine's Day. If you haven't catch the Valentine vlog, make sure you go and catch the Valentine vlogs. My baby is here. There he is, all chillaxing, watching TV. You want to say good morning? Say hello. Say hi, you curly hair boy. Oh, you're so cute, aren't you? You're so sweet, my baby. I missed you. Look at your mouth with all this passiness. Look at your mouth, you pussy face. Patty face. Patty face. You need a pussy face. Give mama a kiss. Mama. Yeah, mama is gonna take a shower and then get her breakfast. Mama. Yes. Aww. You don't wanna give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. Mama's gonna take a shower and come back, okay? And the Jamaican expression for today is bench and batty. It seems like I've been on a lot of batty these days. But anyway, let me explain to you who is a bench and batty. A bench and batty is someone that you're very, very close with and you're often with all the time or most of the time. Baby is my bench and batty, or my close female friends are my bench and batty. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. You get it? Make sure you get it. So get the Jamaican expression for today, and of course baby's gonna put his spin on it, and make sure you guys get your workout in. It doesn't really matter how small it is, it doesn't really matter what you do, every bit counts. Some days you might be out of it like I was yesterday, but just jump right back into it like you ain't never left. Get your workout in. At the end of the day, it will all add up and your result will come. Be patient, trust the process, do what you gotta do, okay? So I'm going to catch a quick shower, I'm gonna make me some breakfast, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. You're so cute. Come on, it's time to go get a bath. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's time to go. It's time to go get a shower. Come on. You're not ready? Mama's ready. So let's go. Come. Come on. Down. Come. Good boy. Come on, let's go get a bath. Baby's done for a nap. He should be done for about 2 hours or so mama can get some work done. It is such a beautiful day outside. Look how beautiful it looks outside. Yes, I know my balcony needs to clean and all those balloons need to go away, but for now they're gonna stay there, okay? It's so beautiful outside, but it's a little bit windy, so you can still feel the chill whenever you goes out there. But the sun is out and it looks really beautiful. You can't even see the beach properly the way the sun is shining. But it looks really good today outside. And it's now lunchtime and I'm having corn and some chicken, and I'm going to have one of my favorite yogurts. It's a caramel cream yogurt, so I'm gonna have this for lunch with some water and I'm good to go. Hi baby, I know you were awake because mama hear you and you just laid there so quietly. Hey big guy, look at your floor. That's your floor? Ah, you did that? Hey. How are you? You had a good nap? You had a good nap? You're drunk in sleep. Wow, that's a big one. You're drunk in sleep. 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 You little googly bear. Come here. Come here. It's dinner time, but I'm just showing you guys a quick peek of the sunset. Is going down really nicely. It's so beautiful over the corner. Well, it's not as beautiful as it normally looks because it's a little bit cloudy, but that's the sunset right now. When it goes down a little bit more, it will look even more beautiful. You love mama and papa bed? Bye-bye. You guys, my husband insists on he wants to keep his Valentine's decorations. He wants to keep his love notes. He wants to keep his balloons. But listen, it is getting to me. These balloons are annoying as hell. Every time I'm walking, they're just hitting up on me, hitting up on me, hitting up on me. So I am about to throw them out. I'll leave his love notes until the weekend. I'm just gonna pull them down because they're not really in my way. They're just over my head. But the balloons, I'm putting them outside on the balcony right now. And besides, this morning, while taking my last minute nap, my last minute sleep, one of these balloons burst and frightened the hell out of me. I think I almost died. Balloons all gone. Tyler did a good job. This is a boy, he's so helpful. He likes to help you do everything, just about anything, and he gets mad when you tell him no, especially if it's something that you think it's too heavy for him to lift. He love helping. When I do the laundry and I'm hanging them outside, he likes to give me the clothespins or give me the clothes. He's so helpful. When we're cleaning up his toys, he helps pick up his toys. He's such a good kid, aren't you? Huh, Papa? Aren't you a good kid? Come here. Come here. Aww. Are you a good kid? I love you. Such a good boy. So funny. Hi, Favs. You guys haven't seen Babe?
No.
I haven't seen you. He got home. Babe actually got home while I was putting Tyler to bed. He got home. Abubu got home late. So you wanna say hi?
Hi guys. I hope everybody okay. Hope everybody have a nice day today. Next year wasn't there all day, but get used to now. She's the queen.
Guys, look at my hair. The struggle is real. Anyway, I put Tyler to bed, and then a few minutes later, I hear him calling me, Mama, Mama, Mama. He wanted Mama to come and give him cuddle. So I went in there and cuddled with him a bit, and I just put him back in his bed after a few minutes, and he's gone. So Tyler is down for the night. Babe and I just here about to catch up on some movie where we left off. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. Hope you guys make it a good one. Oh babe, the Jamaican expression for today is bench and batty.
Bench and batty?
Yes, do you know what that means?
No, I know what batty is, but I don't see what benchan is.
I said bench and batty.
Bench and batty?
Yes, but you don't say and, you say an.
Bench and batty?
Right, bench and batty. Okay, a bench and batty is a person who you're close to, somebody who you're always with. So for example, okay. Chanel, Sade, Sigri,
like
Elaine, Salsia, they're my bench and batty. You are my bench and batty, okay, because we're always together.
Okay.
Who is your bench and batty? Nico and Remy and Thomas.
You.
Me. So say it again.
Bench and batty?
Don't say and.
And, bench and batty.
Right. Make sure you get it. Go and catch up on the expression for today, bench and batty. Make sure you're spending the evening with your bench and batty. Anyway guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Catch up and keep up as usual. Comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, and as usual, we appreciate every single one of our faves. We love you guys. Thank you for always coming back, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog.